Hi, this is Palindrome Sudoku taken from Sudoku Mania. This is handcrafted Sudoku, and rule for this is classic Sudoku rules apply, and additionally the digits in the given line read the same when read from either direction on the line. So let's try to start this. Let's try to solve this. Okay. No obvious clues. So we have to start with pencil marking. See the starting point of the first palindrome line. In this, we cannot place 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can place here 5. Then again 6 is not possible. 5, 7 and 9. Okay, let's go with 5, 7, 9 triplet. Stuff. Okay, once one clue we got the obvious clue. Because of these threes, we can simply place the 3 in the box 6. That is 3 must come here. And now check these threes. Because of these two threes, 3 will come in either of these two cells. Now see, check the position in this palindrome line if 3 can come in any of these two cells. So if 3 is coming here, then according to the if 3 is coming here, then according to the palindrome rule 3 must come here, but we cannot place 3 here. So simply we can eliminate 3 from these two cells, and now this is 3, this is 3. Again, now see the first box. We cannot place 3 here because it can contradict the palindrome rule, and 3 of this 3 will not come here, and because of this 3 we cannot place 3 in these two cells. So 3 will come either of these two cells. Now from the classic rule we can eliminate 3 from these cells. 3 will come here. Okay. Now see the box 2. Box 2, we cannot place 6 in these two cells. 6 is not possible here. So 6 will come either here or here. But if we are placing 6 in this cell, so let's check the palindrome rule. But we cannot place 6 here. So now we can eliminate 6 from this cell. And now 6 will come here now. And from the same rule, we can place 6 here. Now from the classic rule, we can block these cells for 6 and this 6, so 6 will come either in these two cells. Now check the palindrome. We can place 6 here, it's possible. So okay, now with the classic rules, we can because of these two 8s, we can simply block these two cells for 8. Now 8 will come here. Now with the palindrome rule, we can block these cells for 8. So simply in this box also, we can block these cells for 8, and because of classic, we can block these cells for 8. So 8 will come in either of these two cells. Okay, but of no use. Okay, with the classic rule, now these two 5s, we can simply block these cells for 5. So the only possible place for 5 is this. So this is 5, and if this is 5, this must be 5. Okay, now check the box 6. Check box 6. With the classic rules, we can block these cells for 5. Now 5 can come in either of these 3 cells. But now check the palindrome rule in these two cells. 5 cannot come here and 5 cannot come here. Also, so we cannot place 5 in these two cells because of palindrome rule. So we can simply replace or eliminate 5 from these cells. Now 5 must come in this. Okay, with the classic same 6, we cannot place 6 in these cells. So 6 must come here. Now if this is 6, with the palindrome, we can place 6 here. Now 6 with the classics, 6. Okay, we got all 6. Now with the classic rules, this must be 2, 2, and if this is 2, this must be 2, this 2. Now I think all 2s are done. Okay, now see the second box. Because of this and this 5, we can eliminate 5 from these cells, and the only place for 5 is this. And if this is 5, this must be 8. Now with the classic, this is 8. And in the box 2, only 2 numbers are left, that is 1 and 7. And 7 we cannot place here, so this is 7. And this is 1. And if this is 7, with the palindrome rule, this must be 7. And this 1. Now only one number is left. Check the row, column 8. Only 2 numbers are left. 7. 1, 2, 3. 7 and 5. So 5 we cannot place in this cell. So this is 5. This is 7. Okay, with the classic rules, because of these ones, 1 must come here. Now 1, we cannot write 1 in this cell because of palindrome. So this is 1. And in the first row only one number is left, that is 9. So this must be 9. This is 9. 4, 4. Now this middle row only two numbers are left, that is 4, 4 and 5. So because of this 5 we can eliminate 5 from this cell, so this is 4. Now 5. Now 1. Now in this box, middle box, only two numbers are left, that is 9 and 8. And because of this 9, 9 will come here, and this is 8. Go with the classics. 8, 3, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. Now check this box. Box 4, only three numbers are left, that is 1, 2 and 4. 2 will not come here, only 1 and 4. But 1 we cannot write here because of this. So this must be 4, 1 and 2. Just go with the classic rules, only classic part is left. So 1, 7. This must be 7. 7, 3 and 8. Our puzzle is solved.